In this problem, they ask about when is the curve concave up, and when is the curve concave down. So we will need the second derivative. We'll begin by finding the first derivative, dy dx. That would be equal to dy dt over dx dt. We could leave it like this, or we can simplify this to 1 plus 3/2 t. It wouldn't make a difference. All right, that brings us to the second derivative. And the second derivative is d dt of the slope divided by dx dt. That denominator always stays the same. All right, so what is the derivative of the slope with respect to t? I'm going to use this expression. I don't want to use the quotient rule. So the derivative of the slope with respect to t is just 3/2. And what is dx dt? Well, that's still 2t. So what is the second derivative equal to? Looks like it'd be 3 over 4t. All right, so when is this curve concave up? It's concave up when the second derivative is positive. It's concave and down when the second derivative is negative. Well, a fraction is bigger than 0, which means positive when the numerator and denominator have the same sign. So the numerator is positive. So when is the denominator positive? That will cause the entire fraction to be positive, and that's true when t is greater than 0. We are concave up when t is bigger than 0. And when is this negative? When the denominator is negative. So 4t would have to be less than 0. So t would be less than 0. Concave down when t is less than 0. Yeah, I think that does it.